Let's find out what do we mean by data science. Before that, let's understand what can be accomplished in one internet minute. $400 million of sales on Alibaba, 38,000 of photographs being uploaded to Instagram, 4.1 million searches on Google, and 139,000 of YouTube videos being watched. That's huge. Now that we got an idea of what one internet minute can do, let's see what data science is. It's an interdisciplinary field that uses scientific method, processes, and algorithms and systems to extract knowledge and insights from any structural and unstructured data. Oh boy. It seems it's a mouthful of technical jargons out there that broke my heart. But what if I tell you that data science is all about stats, little bit of programming, domain knowledge, and a pinch of storytelling? Join me in this journey to be a data scientist. Please like, share, and subscribe to this channel when you find it helpful.